In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Tidio to Mailchimp, which is a fantastic way to streamline your email marketing efforts by integrating your tools for more efficient subscriber management. Let's dive right into the process and get you set up smoothly. To begin this integration, you'll want to navigate to your Tidio admin panel. Once you're signed in, locate the Integrations section. You can usually find this conveniently placed in the sidebar. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to enhance Tidio's capabilities by pairing it with other powerful tools. Scroll through the integrations until you spot Mailchimp. Mailchimp is widely used for managing email lists and campaigns, making it a perfect partner for Tidio. Now, click on the Install Mailchimp button. This step is crucial as it initiates the connection process between Tidio and Mailchimp, ensuring both platforms can communicate and work together seamlessly. After clicking, you'll be prompted to authenticate. At this stage, you'll need to log in to your Mailchimp account. Make sure you have your Mailchimp login credentials handy, as this will be necessary for allowing Tidio to access your Mailchimp information. This step might seem a bit technical, but it's just about verifying that Tidio has the right permissions to access and manage your email lists within Mailchimp. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be asked to permit this access. Go ahead and allow Tidio to connect with your Mailchimp account. This authorization is what links the two platforms, setting the foundation for them to communicate effectively. Now that the connection has been authorized, it's time to choose which Mailchimp audience you want to add new subscribers to. In Mailchimp, audiences are essentially lists of your subscribers, people who have opted to receive communications from you. It's important to note that Tidio supports adding subscribers to one audience or list through this integration. So, take a moment to consider which existing audience in your Mailchimp account is best suited for this integration. This selection is crucial, as it ensures that your new subscribers end up in the right list, allowing you to efficiently manage your contacts and tailor your communications accordingly. And just like that, you've successfully connected Tidio to Mailchimp. This integration will now enable you to automatically add subscribers collected through Tidio to your selected Mailchimp audience, streamlining your email marketing process significantly. By maintaining an organized list of subscribers, you're setting yourself up to effectively engage with your audience and improve the overall impact of your marketing efforts. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your digital tools. Happy emailing!